Hello guys, we are here to show you something special that you have never seen before. There are many ways to produce electricity, but some of the experiments are very expensive. So we will show you some experiment which is less expensive. Even there are many ways to produce electricity from the organic manure, dynamo, lemon, potato, etc. We are here to prove that a leaf can produce electricity. Instruments are required is a copper plate, zinc plate, an altimeter, and a leaf which contains more water molecule. At first, place the leaf in between the copper and the zinc. Now place the altimeter towards the zinc and the copper. Volts of 0.66 can be produced. Reason behind in this is due to photoelectric effect. The photons are gained by the leaf is converted into electrons, and the copper is act as a cathode and the zinc is used as an anode. Now the redox reaction is taking place, hence we can produce electricity. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and share the video.